The way businesses handle money is constantly evolving, and a big part of that is what's in your wallet. For companies using modern financial services like Qonto, a common question pops up: do they offer both physical and virtual cards? The short answer is a definitive yes. Qonto is designed to give you options, recognizing that your business needs physical cards for in-person transactions and digital ones for the online world. Let's break down how this works. Qonto offers a range of MasterCard debit cards, like the One Card, Plus Card, and the Premium Metal X Card. All of these are available as physical cards. These are your go-to for cash withdrawals and payments in brick-and-mortar shops worldwide. They're durable, secure, and come with insurance and assistance depending on the tier you choose. But where Qonto truly streamlines business finances with its virtual cards. These are 100% digital and instantly created within your Qonto account. They look exactly like a physical card, with their own unique number and security code. Why are virtual cards a game changer? First, security. You can use a virtual card for online purchases, meaning your physical card details stay private. You can even generate specific cards for different subscriptions or online vendors, making it easy to track and control spending. Second, flexibility and control. Qonto lets you order multiple virtual cards, often up to 50 for free depending on your plan, and instantly manage limits and spending categories for each one, right from the app. This is perfect for managing team expenses or segregating budgets for specific projects like online advertising. Finally, while they're digital, you can still use Qonto's virtual cards for in-store purchases by adding them to digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay. So, whether your team is hitting the road and needs a physical card for travel, or managing multiple online subscriptions and needs granular control, Qonto provides both the physical flexibility and the digital security your business requires. It's about having the right tool for every transaction.